Hey guys, it's SterlingW. So I'm going to show you 3 hacks I'm doing with my Shark Pet Power cordless vacuum. This is a stick vacuum that I love. It's very useful, very convenient, extremely easy to use, and also very convenient to clean. So I use it pretty much every other day or at least a few times a week already, and it lasts for a good 40 minutes. And usually I just use it to clean the floors, but I found 3 major hacks I did, or major ways of making this even better than what it is right now. So the first one is, of course, these attachments are great. There's like a crevice attachment and stuff, but the fact that you have to hold the entire thing to suck up something really thin is really hard. I really need some sort of flex hose on it. So my first awesome hack is actually adding a flex hose to this. Now this actually makes it easier to handle like cleaning small to hard to reach areas, and you don't have to actually hold the entire vacuum. Now this flex hose is about 1.5 inches or about 32 millimeters or so. So it's pretty cool. It's actually very simple. You could totally use any flex hose, but the main thing is that make sure that the top end is flexible, because what we're going to do is I'm going to use that crevice tool and basically shove it into that tube that's flexible, and as you can see, it kind of bends outward that way. So I'm pushing it all the way like 2 inches in, but there is the gap on the sides that will leak suction. So we want to cover the gap. What I did is I used these rubber, I guess it's a rubber flap, but you can actually use like a cloth or something else like that. I used a cloth before, it works well. This works even better because it's actually a very thin rubber elastic band for exercising. I just cut about 4 inches off of and used it. And I basically have a zip tie on top to hold it down so that it stays there. Now you can always, of course, just use a rubber band on both ends and just cover the entire thing with like a rubber, the same rubber material. On the other end, I just basically shoved it into the small brush attachment, and it's a pretty good seal because it goes right away into that the circular area of that brush attachment. Click it onto the vacuum and just turn it on, and now you have much flexible use of this, and you don't have to hold that entire vacuum on. You just leave the vacuum on the floor. The second hack is I like full power usage of my vacuum. So even though it uses more energy, but if you're wanting to get a job done and you need the full vacuum, you don't want to keep on holding onto it. I just basically got a piece of wire, like this pipe cleaner, tied it up so that it constantly pulls that trigger for maximum power. So when you turn on the vacuum, it's always maximum power. It's an awesome hack because it saves me having to hold the main unit. I just turn it on, it turns on, it's maximum power, and it's perfect for that. Now the third hack is that this doesn't come with anything to hold all these attachments. So what I did was that in order to put everything, I just put it in a nice cinch bag. This is a nylon cinch bag. Very, very convenient because it keeps all your accessories all in one, cinch it up. And this is just basically a grocery nylon bag. It's awesome. Once you have it cinched up, you can put it right next to your vacuum and just hang it next to it. And then it's all so tidy. Anyways, guys, this is SterlingW. I hope these 3 hacks for the Shark stick cordless stick vac has been helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.